Whoa, damn. We were having such fun. My voice is almost lost. We were yelling about so many things this morning. So the first thing we were yelling about is that the market was gapping down, that you have to buy everything. And then we were talking about how, the shorting opportunity was overnight. You had a VWAP failure on the NQ futures. If you were ever going to short anything, it was 4 o'clock in the morning till the open. And somebody wanted to know, why would we be buying stocks after they've rallied so much? And I was like, because it's a new day. And if we go green, the market's going to go up. So again, the UVXY continues to be the greatest trade out there. All right. What's up, y'all? So maybe you weren't paying attention. What's up? But VTIQ, right? It's so weird. Where does that? It's so bright. Like, it just comes. It's just that glare on my face. It's like there's a spotlight on me. The fuck? Let me try to fix that. All right, that's better. Maybe I need more light, yet less light. Anyway, you hear the guy talking in the background? That's one of my guys, right? So now I get to come here on YouTube and schmooze a little bit with you guys. You're missing the point. All it takes is a click. Nobody does what we do. Again, I talk a lot about this, and because I don't want to make phone calls. The last thing I want to do is make a phone call. I'm not going to call you to try to convince you about how smart I am. Come see for yourself. But every once in a while, I give you a free idea, and it works. What more do you need? How about that, Halliburton? How about the VTIQ? How's that working out for everybody? How about getting in at AAOI at 750 and selling at 12 before they tanked? How about QQQ? How about SQQ? How about shorting UVXY? Obviously, look, we stick with the day trades, and today's day trades were right back into the virus stocks. Last thing I thought I'd be looking at today is virus stocks. So Myrna, Myrna, NVAX, and Codex, all phenomenal. Beyond Meat's on fire. That stock went green. Buy it. Qs never go down. Buy those when they go green. UVXY never goes up. Short that when it goes red. And that's a $100,000 day. So again, a lot of people are now getting to the point where they don't want to be involved in the market. Who cares? Yeah, we've missed the greatest buying opportunity of a lifetime. But you know what you missed on Friday? The greatest buying opportunity of a lifetime. It's every day. So as long as the market continues to do what it's doing here, there's plenty of money. Square on Friday was the best trade of the year now. Tenfold in an hour on options. $75 calls with 10 cents. They went up to $1.90. So basically, what's that, 19 times your money? I'm not saying that anybody did it or made 19 times your money, but there's no doubt that every day there's another opportunity. And on Friday at the close, UVXY puts for 10 cents, they went to 50 cents. So that's 5 times your money. So every day there's another chance to make money. Your day trades fund your ideas on other stuff. I would say if you stick with the reversal trades, you're never going to lose, but you want to branch out a little bit. You want to own some stocks. Again, let's put it into the Halliburton scenario again. I'm holding on to the Halliburton, think I'm going to get 6 more points. You know what went up 6 points today? Myrna in 12 minutes. So I'm going to wait 18 months now to get these next 6 points out of Halliburton. Meanwhile, mRNA went up 6 points as soon as it went green. So do you want to wait? You want to wait 20 minutes or 18 months? That's where you are right now. It's short-term greed versus long-term greed. It's short-term perspectives versus long-term perspectives. There's UVXY goes down every day. You can't lose. Legitimately, you can't lose. If there's no fear and no money, if you have no fear, money, and patience, you cannot lose shorting UVXY. You can't. Even if you were the guy that said, whoa, I was short at 15 and went to 135. If you were that one guy that shorted it at 15 and covered it at 135, you should never, ever trade. So you shorted at the low and you covered at the high. That's virtually impossible. No one did that. Not even you. But the bottom line is today's the greatest day in trading history because every trade worked. And if you parlayed, again, any day you wake up and decide this is going to be the day where I decide to go big, if today was that day, you've just made this the best day of your life because every trade worked. And then you got such follow through. Let's say you bought those VTIQ options, right? You're up 5,000% now, 50 times your money from the $15 call. That's insane. 50 times your money. These were 5-cent options. They're at $5 now. That's 1,000 times your money, I'm saying. The market never goes down. That's the point that a lot of people are missing. And that's what I don't get about why everybody complains. You know who complains about the market going up every day? The guy that's short or doesn't have any interest in the stock market, right? That's who's complaining. Who cares? It is what it is. When it rolls over and goes red, it won't start on a day like this. It won't start with a down day. The market's not down. Where? What's down? I trade the Qs. Market's not down. But anyway, what I was saying is that let's say you've missed the last 15 years of the greatest buying opportunities in the history of mankind and you missed this last one. Today was the greatest opportunity you've ever been handed to, ever. VTIQ broke 19, buy it. Beyond Meat went green, buy it. Myrna went green, buy it. Qs went green, buy it. UVX went short, sell it. This is the greatest market. And there's nothing you can do about it. And we're going to keep going up all the way for the next 10 to 12 years. There's no reason to think we're not going to be at Dow 30,000 by Friday. There's no reason to think that we're not going to be at all-time highs within the next couple of weeks. If we are, we are. Who cares? Who cares? Trade for the day or put all your money in the market. There's no in between. Trade for today, live for today, or pile into the QQQ because we never go down. And if we do go down, buy more, or buy more and then buy more and buy more and buy more. So why? Why is the run over? It just broke out again just now, as a matter of fact. You don't know. Once oil and energy start rallying for real, and then you got the financials have to come back, and then we're good. And then you're good for the next 3 to 5 years. And then keep rotating over and over again. So, I mean, it really is Groundhog Day. This is it. No, 350. Any stock that I have, my target is 120. I'm not even joking. Halliburton 120, VTIQ 120. Any stock I own that's under $100 is my target's 120. Because we're going to get to 50, and then you'll get to 80, and then you'll get 120. So my target is 120 on everything. Space, what do I got now? DraftKings, Halliburton, PCG, Space. Well, STZ is above 20, so that target's 250. UVXY short, VTIQ long. Is that it for now? Yeah, that's it for now. Oh, MJ, that stock sucks, but still 120 target. We never go down. Thanks. There's one trade that didn't work yet so far, so I'm assuming it has to work. On semiconductor. Stock actually sucks. So I'm assuming that somewhere, somehow, the stock will get back to 1660 by somewhere today. But yeah, I mean, the idea of trading after 12 o'clock, that is over for me. I'm not even going to pretend. I got something that works. I'm not going to stray from the path, because today was one of the best days in 30 years of reversals, because the reversals, not only did they work, but you got massive follow through. Myrna, Beyond Meat, MGNX, DraftKings, Halliburton is working still right now. It's the greatest day ever. And we haven't stopped going up yet, so probably not going to stop going up. By the way, just want to repeat, VTIQ has options. You could sell. Now, if you're in it and you want, and let's say you bought those $10 calls for $5, right? They're sitting here at 1270 by 1370. You can sell yourself a $25 call for Friday for $1 right now. It goes to 25, you get called out. Good. You bought this thing at $5, you're selling it for 15. Not bad. But man, the idea of that call spread now, it's killing me right now. I bought a $12.50 $15 call spread. I paid $1 for the 12.50s. I sold the 15s for 20 cents. Why? If I would have bought the 15s for 20 cents, they're trading at $5.90 right now. I wasn't thinking explosion, but at least I bought the $10 calls, the leaps. But wow. And by the way, Halliburton, the only reason I like Halliburton today, right now, at this moment, is that the energy and oil stocks are starting to solidify, and Occidental had already gone green. So usually Oxy and Halliburton roll together. And if you're looking for stocks that are continuously going higher, Schrodinger's back. Completely forgot about that stock. All-time highs. Hey, so Halliburton, I'm not selling Halliburton. No matter what Halliburton does, if it doesn't go back under 750, I'm never selling what I've got left. So for me, Halliburton is a buy at any price. 750, target is 16 and change. That's the way I look at that stock now. And, you know, if you get a reversal in it from time to time, why not? But damn, UVXY short is, it's unbelievable, really. How does it keep working this easily? I don't know. How is Funko up 40% this week? I don't know. How is Overstock at $17? I don't know. How are stocks hitting all-time highs in a market where the economy is supposed to be tied to the stock market? I don't know. But it is, right? There's no denying what you're seeing, right? It is happening because it's actually happening right now. So you got to be involved to, you know, make it count. these options, how do these options still have value? I don't know. Anyway, my voice is shot today because we were just yelling about some crazy stuff this morning. I'm doing a class this Saturday or maybe next Saturday. Now's your chance. It's the best $500 you're ever going to spend ever. You get the room, you get me, you get my 2 cohorts, now 3 guys. Worldly, scholarly knowledge. Collectively, what are they? I hate when people do that. You got 3 guys that have been trading 20 years. Collective 60 years of experience. So if you have 20 guys with 30, 16,000 years of collective experience in the market. Who cares? I hate when they say that. What does that even mean? Collective experience. Who cares? You got me, that's all you need. Everything else is extra. Extra good. Extra information. I'm not getting hit the bid mass. I'm not doing swag. If anything, we'll get Dow 30,000 hats maybe. Oh, and by the way, please don't call me and keep me on the phone for an hour 6 times. Just a yes or no answer is fine. Either you're interested or you're not. All right, because I got new car shows on Netflix to watch. Anyway, I'm not going to sit here watching VTIQ go up all day. We know where it's going. 180, 300, 2,000. Obviously, you're risking a lot less if you bought it at 15 and 1750, and then again, even at 20. But doesn't mean it's not going to go up, but you're just risking more now if it doesn't work. So for me, it's $13.16. So if you're buying it here finally at 21, you're risking 7 to make 100, opposed to buying it at 15 where you're risking 2 to make 100. All right. I'll see you guys. You know how to find us. And hopefully you guys are taking advantage of a market that never goes down. It doesn't go down. Buy stocks. Every day, it's the same exact day. There's really not much more to talk about. All right. I'll show you. I'll plot your charts. You'll have the VWAP on your charts. You'll have us as your encouragement. Because some guys, they need encouragement to trade. They can't believe what they're seeing every day. Maybe that's worth money for you. I'll be there to say, yes, you're right. Buy everything. By the way, STZ just went green. I mean, anything that you like that's not green, you basically buy it and it goes up. And that's what it is. I'm not, again, I don't want to keep talking and be a cliche of Wall Street. Keep talking to pretend that I know so much about everything. It's the same day. It's the same trade. It's the same day. It's the same trade every day. Just some people take longer to accept it. Some people take longer to figure out which trades they should stick to. And that's it. All right. Email me, thewarlock@hitthebid.com or info@hitthebid.com. Join in. Enjoy it because it's not going to last. But this is the kind of day where you make enough for the week. So now it's your It's up to you whether or not you want to continue. I know, Mark, unbelievable. But nothing more unbelievable than UVXY just getting down. And UVXY is by far my favorite thing on earth. All right. I got to go raise some money to, short more UVXY. Good luck.